Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you on this very cold morning a 2022 Ford Ranger Wildtrak bi-turbo. Now this does come with just over 30,000 miles upon the clock, as well as heated seats, perfect for those cold winter days such as today. Heated windscreen as well for the fact of the matter there. This does also come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, air conditioning, heating, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and also low range. This does have a parking camera as well as satellite navigation and radio and Bluetooth connectivity, as well as an automatic transmission. And there are, of course, 5 leather seats. The driver's seat is, of course, electric as well, also matching that Wildtrak branding on the inside. If we come into the back here for some comfort for the rear passengers, we do have 2 cup holders and, of course, an armrest. Now, if we do pop down just a little bit further, just here, we do, of course, have the 150 watt mains power outlet, as well as the 12 volt as well, which is perfect to keep anyone entertained in the back. Now, even though this is a crew cab pickup truck, this does come with quite a lot of space in the bed at the back, Predator cover on top. Now, as you can see, it is rather spacious in the back just here, and this does also have cup holders on the base as well. And if you would like to find out more about this Ford Ranger Wildtrak, then please do feel free to head over to our website. It is in the description of this video. You never know, you come down to our site in Padworth as well, talk to our specialists about it. You never know, one day you could be driving off in this vehicle.